Why don't you film the fact that the kids have abandoned us?
Kids have gone. Oh dear. Wow.
Are you ready?
This will be on YouTube later. Yeah. Film them in there.
Have you got choke? You haven't got choke, have you?
Don't take your seatbelt off, Kevin. That's dangerous if you start moving.
Just won't start.
I love the fact that Janine's sitting there as if she's driving along looking out at a countryside. She's just sat there like... Go for it.
What do you want for lunch?
We should walk down the road with our bag, shouldn't we?
Just leave it here. Yeah. Hannah.
What are you going to do now? Have a look.
Where's Anna?